Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the second question in exercise 10.3. Prove that f of x is equal to 5x minus 3 is continuous at x equal to 0, minus 3 and 5. So let's note down the function. So f of x is equal to 5x minus 3, we are supposed to show the continuity at x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3, and x is equal to 5. So first let's do it the continuity for x is equal to 0. So which means what? We are going to calculate f of 0 first, which is 5 into 0 minus 3, so which is equal to minus 3. Now let's compute limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. This is nothing but limit h tends to 0, f of 0 plus h. So this is 5 into 0 plus h minus 3, where the limit is h tends to 0. So this is going to be 5 into 0 minus 3. So the answer is minus 3. Now let's compute limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. This is nothing but limit h tends to 0, f of 0 minus h. This is limit h tends to 0, 5 into 0 minus h minus 3. If you apply the limits, this is still 0. 5 into 0 minus 3 is minus 3. So you see that f of 0 is minus 3. X tends to 0 plus is minus 3 and x tends to 0 minus is also minus 3. So therefore, it is continuous at x is equal to 0. Now let's test the continuity at x is equal to minus 3. Continuity at the point x is equal to minus 3. So let's compute f of minus 3 first. So it is f5 into minus 3 minus 3. 5 into minus 3 is minus 15, minus 3 is minus 18. Now let us compute limit x tends to minus 3, f of minus 3 plus h, because this is going to be plus sign that I need. So this is limit h tends to 0, f of minus 3 plus h. This is limit h tends to 0, 5 into minus 3 plus h minus 3. So you can directly apply the limit h tends to 0. So this is 5 into minus 3 minus 15 minus 3 minus 18. Now let's test limit x tends to minus 3 minus. This is of f of x, which is nothing but limit h tends to 0 of f of minus 3 minus h. So this is limit h tends to 0, 5 into minus 3 minus h, then minus 3. Apply the limits. So it is minus 3 minus 0, still minus 3. 5 into minus 3 is minus 15, minus 3 is minus 18. So here in this case, we see the value is minus 18 in all the three cases. Therefore, at x is equal to minus 3, the function is continuous. Now let's try the last option where x is going to be equal to 5. So in this case, f of 5 is what I'm computing first. This is 5 into 5 minus 3. So 25 minus 3, 22. Now let's compute limit x tends to 5 plus f of x. This is nothing but limit h tends to 0, f of 5 plus h. This is limit h tends to 0. This is 5 into 5 plus h minus 3. So you directly apply the limits, h is going to go. So this is 25 minus 3, so 22. Now let's compute limit x tends to 5 minus f of x. So this is limit h tends to 0, f of 5 minus h. This is limit h tends to 0, 5 into 5 minus h minus 3. So if you compute the value, h is going to be 0. So 25 minus 3 is 22. Now f of 5 is 22. X tends to 5 plus is 22 and 5 minus is also 22. So this function is continuous at x is also equal to 5. In the next video, we will see how to solve the third question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.